Hi, I'm Daniel from ligo.co.uk and this is the Gigaset E390A Big Button phone. The Gigaset E390A is the direct replacement for the E370A, which was one of the most popular Gigaset phones. It comes packed with extra features that make it incredibly easy to use, which means it's a great choice for older users. So let's take a closer look at it. The one main difference between the E390A and its predecessor is that it no longer has a standalone base station. Instead, the main handset goes straight into the answering machine. Other than that, it still has all the same great design features that we loved about the E370A. Its large backlit buttons are easy to see, and the 2.2-inch full-color display screen makes scrolling through menus and settings a doddle. Setting up the Gigaset E390A is nice and simple, just a matter of plugging the base station into your phone line and power socket, and then popping the included rechargeable batteries into the handset. If you have any extra handsets, then these will need to be paired up, and some of the additional features do require a bit more setup. However, this is also very straightforward to do, and if you need a hand with it, LIGO are always happy to help. Like all DECT phones, the E390A offers up to 50 meters range indoors and up to 300 meters range outdoors. If you need any extra range in this, or if you have thick walls which can cut down on how far your phones can reach, then you'll be pleased to hear that the E390 is also repeater compatible. As with all Gigaset phones, the E390A has excellent sound quality, with HSP sound performance to ensure calls always sound clear. What's more, it comes with a full duplex loudspeaker, which cuts out that annoying echo that you tend to get when talking on speakerphone with cheaper cordless phones. But what's really unique about the E390A is its volume booster mode. This can be turned on and off during a call, and it doubles the volume with just one button press. The great thing is this has no impact on the sound quality, so those with hearing loss can still enjoy crystal clear conversations. As you get older, your ability to hear higher frequencies naturally declines. To help combat this, Gigaset have given the option of two different acoustic profiles on the E390A, so any user gets the full benefit of its sound quality. As for extra features, the E390A has plenty of those. First and foremost, it has a built-in answering machine with up to 30 minutes recording time, and you can see at a glance when you have a new message waiting for you. For older users who might be living alone, then there's also a handy SOS feature on the E390 as well. This lets you choose 4 emergency contacts, and when the SOS mode is activated with a button press, it then cycles through those 4 numbers until someone picks up. When they do, the phone will play them a message to let them know that you need help. So there we have it, the Gigaset E390A, a cordless phone that's pretty much perfect for older users and the hard of hearing. To find out more, or to get your hands on one for yourself, go to ligo.co.uk.